Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 1. Find each of the following products. Let us find. The first one is number A. Question number A is 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. We know that plus into minus is minus and 3 into 1 is 3. The answer is minus 3. Right? Now question number B. Question number B is minus 1 into 225. 225. We know that minus into plus is minus, and if we multiply 225 with 1, we are getting 225, and that is the answer, right? Now question number C. Question number C, we are getting minus 21 into minus 30 minus 21 into minus 30 minus 30. Here you see that is minus into minus is plus, and if you multiply 21 with 30, we are getting multiply 21 with 3, that is 303, that is just 6, or the answer is 630, 630, right? That is the answer. Now question number D. In question number D, we are getting minus 316 into minus 1 into minus 1. Here you see that is minus into minus is plus, and if we multiply 316 with 1, we are getting 316, and that is the answer. Now question number E, we are getting, here you see minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Now if we multiply minus 15 into 18, we are getting a number, and that is multiplied by 0. That means the result will be 0, and that is our answer. Now question number F. Question number F is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. First we will multiply these two. That is minus into minus is plus. If we multiply 12 with 11, we are getting, or multiply 12 with 11, that is 2, 1, 2, 1, that is 132. 132, 132 into 10, that is we are getting 1320, and that is our answer. Now question number G. Question number G, we are getting 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. That is we are getting 9 into, here you see minus into minus will be plus, and if you multiply by 3 into 6 is 18, right? Now if you multiply 18 with 9, we are getting, here you are multiplying 18 with 9. 8 and 72, 7, here 2, and 9 plus 7 is 16, 162. Therefore the answer is 162. That is our answer. Now question number H. Question number H, you will get minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4, right? Therefore we are getting minus 18 into, here you see minus into minus is plus, and 5 into 4 is 20, right? Therefore we are getting, if we multiply 18 into 20, that is 18 to 36, 360, and plus into minus is minus. Therefore the answer is minus 360, right? Now question number I. Question number I, we are getting minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4, right? You multiply both these two, that is minus 1 into minus is plus, and 2 into 1 is 2. Now if we multiply it with minus 3 into 4, if we multiply with this minus 3 into 2, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 3 is 6 into 4, and plus into minus is minus, 4 6 is 24, and that is our answer. Now question number J. Question number J is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. If you multiply these two, then minus into minus is plus, and 3 into 6 is 18 into minus into minus is plus, and 2 into 1 is 2, right? That is 18 into 2, and that we are getting 36, and that is our answer, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.